Are you looking for the top 5 best treadmills for home and commercial? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best treadmills for home and commercial on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. NordicTrack T Series 6.5 S Treadmill, best-selling smart treadmill. The NordicTrack T Series 6.5 S is one of the most popular and best-selling treadmills for home use, and for good reason. It combines reliable performance, excellent build quality, and smart features into a foldable, space-saving design. Powered by a 2.6 CHP Durex commercial motor, offers smooth transitions between speeds, 0 to 10 miles per hour, and supports incline adjustments up to 10%. Ideal for those looking to burn more calories or simulate hill training. The 20-inch by 55-inch tread belt provides enough space for comfortable walking and jogging, and the Flex Select cushioning system reduces joint impact, making it great for older adults and beginners. It's also iFit enabled, which opens up thousands of global workout classes, subscription required. The treadmill folds vertically with a space-saver design, saving floor space when not in use. This model is backed by a solid warranty, 10 years on the frame, 1 year for parts and labor. While it lacks high-speed capacity for serious runners, the NordicTrack 6.5S is a standout choice for most home fitness needs. It's especially suitable for those wanting a well-cushioned, quiet, and durable treadmill with tech-ready options. Number 2. Sperax Walking Vibration Pad with app, 3-in-1 under desk treadmill. The Sperax Walking Vibration Pad is a versatile 3-in-1 under desk treadmill, designed for users seeking a compact and feature-rich walking solution. Its 2.5 HP motor provides a quiet operation, making it suitable for home or office environments. The treadmill offers a speed range from 0.1 to 3.8 miles per hour, catering to various walking intensities. A standout feature is its vibration mode, which aims to soothe muscles post-workout. The treadmill's LED display and remote control enhance user convenience, while its Bluetooth connectivity allows integration with the Sperax Fitness app for tracking workouts. Its ultra-slim design ensures easy storage, making it ideal for spaces with limited room. Number 3. UMAY Fitness Folding Treadmill. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill with a brushless motor is a compact, whisper-quiet machine designed for light home workouts. With a 2.5 HP brushless motor, it offers reliable performance for walking and light jogging at speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour. The brushless technology ensures lower noise output and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. Its running belt measures 43.3 x 16.1, ideal for short to medium strides, making it particularly well-suited for women, teens, and users with limited workout space. This treadmill also folds easily and includes built-in wheels, making storage a breeze in apartments or shared spaces. The deck features multi-layer shock absorption, reducing pressure on joints and promoting safe daily use. You can control the treadmill using a remote or pair it with a Fit Show app for added functionality, tracking, and workout programming. Number 4. THERUN Incline Treadmill Heavy-Duty Build. If you're looking for an affordable treadmill that offers powerful incline capabilities and a solid motor, the THERUN Incline Treadmill stands out. It's powered by a strong 3.0 HP motor and offers speeds from 0.6 to 9.9 miles per hour, suitable for walking, jogging, and running. What makes it unique is its automatic incline up to 15%, a feature typically seen in more expensive commercial-grade treadmills. The running surface is a comfortable 50 inches by 17.3 inches with a 6-layer shock absorption system to protect your knees and joints. Whether you're working out to lose weight, improve endurance, or tone muscles, this treadmill adapts to your fitness level. Its multifunctional display tracks time, speed, incline, and calories. It includes pulse sensors on the handrails. It's foldable and relatively easy to move, though a bit larger when compared to walking pads. The THERUN treadmill supports up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Number 5. RENESTAR Smart Bluetooth Treadmill. The RENESTAR folding treadmill is designed with a blend of fitness functionality and lifestyle features. With a 3.5 HP motor and speeds up to 8.7 miles per hour, it's suitable for both beginners and intermediate level users. The running surface of 43.3 inches by 16.5 inches is compact, yet comfortable for walking and light jogging. What sets this treadmill apart is its built-in Bluetooth speaker and phone holder, which make your workout sessions more engaging. Whether you're streaming a fitness class or play your favorite playlist, RENESTAR ensures a connected experience. The LED touchscreen adds a modern feel and gives you quick access to essential metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories. It supports a user weight of up to 265 pounds and folds vertically for easy storage. The cushioning system is gentle on joints, and the frame is stable enough for consistent daily use.